Good morning, students. I hope you all are fine. So today we are going to learn about articles. So first let's read what we are going to learn. So what is the date today? Today is 15th of June 2020, day Monday. And the name of the topic is articles. What we are going to learn about? Articles. So let's read. What are articles? A and the are articles. We use a and the before nouns. They are called articles. Vowels A, E, I, O, U. Consonants B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. These are consonants. If a noun begins with a consonant, we use a before it. Example, a door, a squirrel, a nest, a giraffe. If a noun begins with a vowel, we use an before it. Example, an owl, an alligator, an envelope, an igloo. Now I will explain you. Now first revise what are vowels. What are the vowels? You all say me now. Chalo, say what are vowels? Yes, A, E, I, O, U are vowels. How many are they? 5. Very good. Now say the consonants. B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. Yes, these are the consonants. How many are they? 21. So 21 plus 5, 26. So in English alphabet, how many letters are there? There are 26 letters. So 5 vowels, 21 consonants. So now today we are going to learn which topic? Articles. Now what are articles? The first thing which click in your mind, articles, it has many meanings. For example, you can say it is an costly article, like thing, है ना? It is an costly article, like things. We call articles things, but in English grammar the meaning is different. The words like a and the are articles. Which are the 3 words which are articles? Say a and the. Very good. Which are the articles? A and the. A and the are articles. For now, you can answer me like this only. If I ask you, what are articles? Tell me what are articles? A and the are articles. Very good. Now, chalo, I will ask you. What are articles? Very good. A and the are articles. Let's repeat 2 times. How many times? 2 times. Say a, and the. The. Very good. A and the are articles. Very good. Now what we have to do with these words? हमें क्या करना? अचार डालना है? हाँ चलो डालते. चलो. Which one? अचार डाले इन words का? Should we make a pickle? No. We have to do something. है ना? हम कुछ तो भी करते होंगे इस word का, right? Do you want to know what we do? How they are used, why they are used, when they are used? Isn't it? So हमें अचार नहीं डालना इनका. We have to use it. Okay? So let's see how we use it. So articles are a and the. Now see, look over here. First I will write one word. D-O-R, D-O-O-R, door. Very good. It is a door. Now Miss has told you, given one dash, and Miss has told you that write a or an. आपको इसके आगे अ या एन लगाना है. सो आप अभी कंफ्यूज हो गए. नाउ यू आर कंफ्यूज. नाउ हाउ विल आई राइट अ और एन? आई डोंट नो. सो आई कैन राइट एन डोर, अ डोर. हाउ, what shall I do now? You are confused. So इस confusion को दूर करने के लिए what are we going to do? हम पहले first letter देखेंगे. ये word का first letter. ये first letter क्या है? D. First letter क्या है? D. और D क्या है? Vowel या consonant? Tell me, I forgot. What is D? Consonant or vowel? D क्या है? Consonant. Very good, huh? You all have become very smart. Consonant. So D is a consonant. और अगर consonant आता है so हम उसके आगे A लिखेंगे, है ना? A से जिसका भी नाम आता है you will remember कि अगर कोई भी word का first letter consonant है so you are going to write a. You are going to write a. So a door. If a word start with a consonant, you are going to write a. So how it will be spelled? A door. One more example. Boy. B-O-Y. Boy. So what are you going to do? मिस ने आपको बताया आप क्या करोगे? फर्स्ट लेटर देखेंगे. फर्स्ट लेटर क्या है अभी? बी. क्या आया फर्स्ट लेटर? बी. बी क्या है? कॉन्सोनेंट या वोवल? टेल मी फर्स्ट. वेरी गुड. सो बी इज अ कॉन्सोनेंट. So we are going to write what? Over here, what are we going to write? A or an? A. Very good. So a boy. Whenever a word starts with a consonant, we are going to write a. Now I will write words. You are going to say me the answer. G-I-R-L. Girl. Now tell me, what are we going to write before noun? ये noun है. हाँ, so what are we going to write before noun? अब ये noun के before क्या लिखेंगे? A और an. जल्दी. Before means क्या? पहले. So हम इसके पहले क्या लिखेंगे? Tell me. A और an. A. Very good. Why we are going to write a? Because G is a consonant. G is a consonant. Very good, huh? You are becoming very smart. Book. B-O-O-K. Book. What are we going to write before this word? O or an? Very good. A. How did you recognize? B is a consonant. Very good. Very smart of you. So, what Miss explained? That if a word starts with a consonant, we are going to write. So, what we learned? We learned that if a word starts with consonant, we are going to write a before it. आप क्या लिखोगे उसके पहले? A. What we learned? That if a word starts with a consonant, we are going to write a. Consonant sound. D, door. Boy. Girl. Book. Book. है ना? So, if a word starts with a consonant sound, we are going to write a before it. Before means what? Pehle. Isn't it? Understood? Now, we are going to learn about vowel. Now, see. I'm going to write igloo. Now, what will come before this? Now, I have explained you about consonant. अभी igloo लिखा हुआ है. Now, what are we going to write before it? So, आप क्या करोगे? First step मिस ने आपको बताया. First, you are going to look at the first letter. So, I is a vowel or consonant? Tell me. Vowel. Very good. So, if a word starts with a vowel, we are going to write an. An igloo. You know what is an igloo? Wait, I will show you. Then next is ice cream. How many of you like ice cream? I don't like ice cream. Very nice. But now don't eat it, okay? Avoid eating ice cream. So ice cream. So what will come before ice cream? Before word ice cream? How you are going to identify what you have to write? You are going to look at the first letter. आप first letter के पास देखोगे. I is a vowel. Very good. So you are going to write over there an. Very good. If a word starts with a vowel, you are going to write an. If a word starts with a vowel, you are going to write an. An igloo, an ice cream. Next, give me one example of a word starting with vowel. अभी आप बताओ कुछ तो भी words. चलो बोलो. ठीक. Very good. Now I will write one word, that is inkpot. Now tell me, inkpot. I is a vowel. So what are we going to write before inkpot? An. Very good. An inkpot, isn't it? An igloo, an ice cream, an inkpot. है ना? So now you will see something similar between these words, that it is singular. ये एक है ना? An igloo one, an ice cream one, an inkpot. They are singular. That means they are one. So we used and before singular nouns. Got it? So an igloo, an ice cream, an inkpot. So अभी मिस आपको कभी भी बोलेगी कि वो tell me which word will come before this noun. So how you are going to rectify? You are going to look, for example, door. Now miss said Now tell me, what are we going to write? A or an? So आप पहला word देखोगे. So पहला word क्या है? Consonant है ना? Consonant. So एकदम quickly बताना है. Miss A. We are going to write A because D is a consonant. If Miss said B-O-Y, boy. Now tell me what will come before boy, A or an? So you are going to say it quickly, A, because B is a consonant. Now tell me what will come before igloo? Before igloo, what will come, O or an? An. Why so? Why an? Because I is a vowel. Very good, huh? Everyone understood, I think so, that if a word starts with consonant, we are going to write A, and if a word starts with vowel, we are going to write an. Understood? If a noun begins with a consonant, we use A before it, and if a noun begins with an vowel, we are going to write an. Got it? Now let's see. Look at the pictures and read the words given below. An alligator. See, this is a alligator. So see the first word, A. It is a vowel. So we have used an. A door. See D. D is a consonant. So we have used A. An igloo. See I. First word देखना है आपको. I क्या है? Vowel. अगर vowel है तो an लगाना है. An. A nest. See an. N. N is a consonant. So A. An orange. A. See O. O is a vowel. So an. Understood? So let's see some words starting with A. A bag, a cap, a dog, a gun, a man, a lion, a hen, a rat. Now see, one thing is common. B, C, D, G, M, L, H, R. They are all consonants. So ये सब words के आगे क्या है? Consonant. So हमने क्या लगाया? A. Now see this. An apple, an eagle, an orange, an umbrella, an inkpot, an igloo, an alligator, and owl. So see the, listen to the sound. An apple. It is a vowel sound. Sound कौन सा है? Vowel का है. So an apple, an eagle है ना? E is a vowel. So A, E, O, U, I, A, O. These are all vowels. So which word we write before vowels? And. If a word starts with a vowel, we write an. I hope you all understood. There are some more words which starts with an and O. But for now, you are going to write this. You are going to learn this much only. So what we learn? That we learn about A. That if a word starts with a consonant, we are going to write A. If a word starts with a vowel, we are going to write an. If a noun starts with a consonant, A. If a noun begins with a vowel, an. Understood? A consonant, an vowel. Understood? Very good.